Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And tonight I'm out here for a Throwback Thursday night flight of this rare MJX X400. Now the MJX X400 has been out for about 6 years and all the years of me knowing of this thing, I've never seen a red one. But I guess the red ones were around, because I did find one other video on YouTube from 6 years ago with one of these. It was a Spanish channel though, it wasn't in English, but it did indeed have this exact same red MJX X400. I didn't know they even existed until I received this. Shout out to my boy Chuck. He found this on eBay and sent this in to me, and so I'm gonna fly it on this night flight for Throwback Thursday. And hopefully this is the first time, this is going to be the maiden flight of this thing. So as far as I know, it is a genuine MJX X400, just red. But let's get this guy in the air and check it out. Going to be flying it with multi-protocol transmitter, the Jumper T8 SG. Let's turn the lights on. And this thing is peppy. Uh-oh. And it's trying to fly away on me. Interference or something. I did get it back. Sheesh. That was close. And that was weird that I never really get that with the flying. I never really get that flying with deviation. But I guess there's a strong interference. Oh sheesh, it's that way. So I can't fly down that area over there. There's some kind of signal over there that's making this thing go haywire. So I'll try to fly it over here. Pretty sure it's not the wind. And this thing is awesome. It's flying really nice. Seems a little extra peppy. It could be the battery that I have in here though. I do have a new battery in here, as opposed to my old batteries that I've been flying with lately. Sheesh. And it's really cold out here too. So I probably won't be flying this one much. I probably will just be having this thing sitting on a shelf somewhere, being that I have a normal MJX X400. You guys know red and black are my favorite colors. My favorite color combination. And so I really like this thing. That would have really sucked if this thing would have flown away over that fence over there. So let's see how it flips. That was a side flip. Let's see if it does a backwards flip. Won't do a backwards flip for me. Let's see if it'll do a side flip again. It won't do any more flips for me. I don't know what that's about, but It did do one flip. Okay, there we go right there. Let's see. Can I get it to do another flip? Backwards? Okay, we did a backwards flip and a frontward flip, a forward flip. So the white one seems like it's a little more visible at night than this red one. The lights are nice and bright, but the top of it is a little dark in comparison to the white version. Oh! Hard turn there. Check it out. Let's bring it in close. Get a good look at it. Check it out. So I'm just bringing it over here so I can do some funnels before I pack it in. The wind is getting stronger down here. Maybe it was the wind blowing it. I don't know. For some reason I walk down here and the wind is picking up. Okay, so let's bring it in. MJX X400 in red, guys. Thanks for watching.